In this video, I will show you how to link YouTube to Steam account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top, hover over your name up here, and on this menu that comes up, come and click onto content. Now from the content page, if you come up to the top, you're going to see some different tabs. What you want to do is click onto the videos tab, so that's the tab just here. And once you click onto this, you're going to see at the top there's an option to link your YouTube account. So what you want to do is give that a click. Then what you can do is go through the steps to link your YouTube account. So you can see there's 3 steps. What you can do is link your YouTube account to your Steam profile. Then what you need to do is select the videos you want to add to your profile. And then what you can do is share with your Steam friends so they can of course view your videos. Now all you need to do from here is click the green button here which says access your YouTube videos. And then what you're going to do is sign in with your Google account. So that's going to be the account which is connected to your YouTube. And then just basically follow the steps to link your account. So that is how to link YouTube to Steam account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.